Today we're going to talk about logic puzzles. We're going to go over what they are, and we're going to do one together. And then your distance learning assignment is to do the one that is in Schoology. Logic puzzles are thinking puzzles that can only be solved using logical reasoning. You use clues to rule out impossibilities and then solve a given situation. So here's the one that we're going to do. It's on backpacks. Here is the situation right here. Last week, 3 classmates, one named Sam, all lost their backpacks. One was colored green. During the school day, one little boy lost his at lunch. From the clues provided, you can determine which boy had which color backpack and when he lost it. So here's the clues down here. And when we go through this, if it is something that didn't happen, we're going to put in an X. If it did happen, we're going to put yes in the box. And if you notice, it goes up and down as well as across. So here are the 3 boys. We get their colored of backpacks and when they lost it. And it can go up and down or across. Color of backpacks, when they lost it. So by doing that, we should be able to read the clues and then mark off what works and what doesn't work. So let's get started. Clue number 1. Sam did not lose his backpack before lunch. So here's Sam. He did not lose it before lunch, so we're going to put an X right there. And that's pretty much all I can do because I don't know what color his backpack is, so I can't fill anything out down at the bottom. Clue number 2. Sal's backpack, which was not green, so here's Sal, he did not have a green backpack, was lost during 3rd period. So we know Sal lost his during 3rd. So Sam couldn't have and Sean couldn't have. And we also know that Sal could not have lost it at any other time. Now we can go the other way too. The green backpack, or not the green, was lost during 3rd period. So I'm not going to put anything down here quite yet. But we know... Oh, we're going to wait. Last clue. Sean lost sight of his purple backpack. Okay, so Sean has a purple backpack, so nobody else can, or he can't have another color, and he can't have any other color. During lunch. So we know he lost his during lunch, so no other time, and nobody else can. So now if we fill in the blanks... We know that Sam lost it during 5th, Sal lost it during 3rd, and Sean lost it at lunch. Now we know Sean has purple, but if you look, nobody else can have green except for Sam. So Sam has a green one, which leaves Sal to have blue. So Sal lost it during 3rd period. Sam lost it during 5th period, which leaves Sean losing it during lunch. So here's our solution. Sam has the green backpack, and he lost it during 5th period. Sal has the blue backpack, and he lost it during 3rd period. Sean has the purple backpack, and he lost it during lunch. So there's our solution. You are going to get a logic puzzle about an ice cream shop. It is in Schoology. You can put it into Notability and solve it. And then what I would like you to do is put in the answers. We're going to solve it first. Answers into Schoology. I will have an assignment, and just in Notability, you're going to put all your answers, just like what we did here. Sam lost his green backpack during 5th hour, and then I've got another one and another one. You're going to type this up and enter that into the assignment in Schoology. If you have any questions, send me a message and let me know. Good luck.